With winter around the corner, you might find yourself wondering if it is time for a new furnace. I'm here to talk through the average time it takes for a furnace installation, factors that influence installation time, and what happens after your new furnace is installed. Average time for furnace installation. On average, a professional furnace installation takes 4 to 8 hours, though the specific duration depends on several factors. If everything is straightforward, it will only take about a half day for installation. More complex scenarios may stretch into a full day or longer. Gas furnace installation is more time-consuming due to the need for safe gas line connections and proper venting. Heat pump installations take longer than gas furnace installs in most applications. This is due to the need to weigh in refrigerant and braze in the system. Factors that influence furnace installation time. There are several factors that influence the time it takes to install a furnace. Condition of existing ductwork, accessibility of the installation site, any additional upgrades, and weather and safety considerations. What happens during furnace installation? There are several steps in the installation process. First, removing the old furnace. Then preparing the installation site. Next, setting up the new furnace. Thermostat setup. And lastly, system testing and configuration. After furnace installation. Once your new furnace is in place, technicians will run it through several heating cycles to verify operation. They'll check airflow, thermostat accuracy, and system safety. Before they leave, they may walk you through new thermostat functions or filter access. To keep your system performing at its best, replace air filters regularly, typically every 1 to 3 months, but it depends on your specific home or filter type. Schedule annual professional maintenance for cleaning, safety checks, and efficiency testing. Watch for unusual noises or changes in performance and address them early. Some installers may also recommend a follow-up inspection after a few months to ensure everything is running smoothly. Plan ahead and stay warm. Installing a new furnace may sound like a big project, but most homeowners are pleasantly surprised by how quickly it gets done. In many cases, you'll have your old furnace removed, the new one installed, and your home comfortably heated in less than a day. When the cold weather arrives, you'll be glad you planned ahead. Your home will be warm, your system will be efficient, and you'll have the peace of mind knowing the job was done right. Contact your local Lennox dealer today to explore new furnace options for your home.